After 60, many people feel weaker, tired, and lose muscle strength. Walking becomes harder, energy goes down. But did you know certain fruits can support muscle health naturally? Today, I'll share the top 5 fruits seniors should include for better muscle support. Fruit number 5, apple. Apples contain natural antioxidants and fiber. They help reduce muscle stiffness and support daily energy. Easy to digest and perfect for seniors. Fruit number 4, banana. Bananas provide potassium and natural carbs. They support muscle function and help reduce weakness. Great before walking or light exercise. Fruit number 3, orange. Oranges are rich in vitamin C. They support muscle repair and reduce inflammation. Also help with hydration and recovery. Fruit number 2, berries. Blueberries, strawberries, and blackberries are powerful. They protect muscles from aging stress and support strength. A small bowl daily can make a difference. Fruit number 1, papaya. Papaya supports digestion and nutrient absorption. Better digestion means muscles get more nutrition. Very gentle and senior-friendly fruit.